pulling the boat back. The boat's actually going back.
Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Me and Dad are heading out today. Gonna try a couple different spots, couple new things, so come along with us and we're gonna have a good time regardless.
This is like where the real the real work starts. Here is cutting up this bait. So we got the squid here. We're cutting it up for bait. Oh. Okay, here we go. Then we're putting it in a bucket here. This saves a lot of time so that we get out there, we don't have to be cutting up bait.
Passing through Sanibel, Punta Rasa, right in that area. About to go right under the bridge. A little windier than we were hoping for starting out.
Yeah.
But we'll make it. We'll make the best of it. We'll have to go a little slower, but it is what it is. It's a little hazy out this morning. It's a good day, but it looks a little hazy. We need that sun to knock all that stuff down for us.
This will be a new location for us, so we'll just have to see how it goes.
Here it is. You ready? A lot of big fish up ahead of us here. He's throwing a gotcha lure. I have a plastic jig. Hope something's out there. You can see it right ahead of us here. Big school bait. Where's the big fish? Something, man. Tighten that drag there. Oh, the tomtate. Isn't that what that is?
Oh, what is that? That's
Isn't that what the tomtate is? Or is it one of those pigfish? It could have.
big fish.
I don't know.
You think for bait?
Yeah. Hit it pretty good. I wasn't ready. Who's it gonna be? Oh shoot, you got some head shake to him. Who's this? Wow.
Like.
What the hell? Okay, man.
Nice one.
Shoot. I'll take it.
Nice one, yeah.
I'll take it.
Wow.
On here. Oh man, I'm sorry, buddy.
No. Okay. We hit the perch land. We're in perch land. It's a bigger one. Well, one thing, we can use some of these for bait. We get to it. I'll just put it on ice and use it for bait. Yeah, so what he just caught was a remora, and that's the one that swims on the back of the shark and attaches itself.
He's got a good hold on the boat. I understand.
He's sucking onto the...
I understand. I'm going to get a towel for you, buddy. Hold on. Oh, God. There he is.
Wow.
Very cool.
Let's let him attach to my hand. Oh, wait. Oh, I got suntan lotion. Ah, okay, let go. I got it. Let go. Oh, no. Yeah, really cool. Look at her.
Okay.
Remora. So if the remora's there, what about the shark?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I missed him, dude. He hit it so good. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. What the heck? I can't land him, man. Struggling to land him. Dang it, man. He hit it so good. Might be about 9.
9 feet?
No, 9 o'clock.
Oh. Yeah, 9:02. I'll be calling him. I was just wondering. And I probably couldn't even call him.
Another perch. Damn.
Fair enough.
He is a little, he's a little fat.
We gotta get those other ones in so we get these going.
Can't rotate. Oh man. Hit it really nice. You hit it really nice.
Feels good?
Yeah, I don't know what this could be though. I'm about to swing it up. It's another one of those corgi, man.
Like the gigantic.
What is this, man? I'm gonna take a picture of this thing and GPT it.
That's exactly what it is.
Got no service out here though, I bet. Hit it good? Oh, should I move?
No. Get this thing. Fighting really good. Dang, this fish is fighting good.
Oh man, you got yourself a nice
A
one.
big grunt.
Nice one.
Wow.
Let's see. Oh,
Oh,
baby red.
yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, let me
Oh,
come
you got a
on.
brother down there.
It's got to.
Got to be 20 inches and keep 4 on the boat.
Baby red.
Fish. You see them in the water, one after the next. Look how big they are. They're huge, like saucers. Everything's full of. It's just full of huge. Oop, full of huge jellyfish.
What's it gonna be, man? He hit it hard. Everybody gonna be looking. I gotta swing it. Let's bump the camera.
Oh wow.
Oh, jeez.
It's got to be 20 inches. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Beautiful fish. So inviting.
Dude, he took it down like when he wanted it and really took it. Oh man, nice. Just he's not gonna be where we need him, but where is he? It's a 12 right there. Pretty fish.
So let's see the camera.
Here we
Oh
go.
well, gotta throw him back. No, it's one of yours.
Okay, those things hit the right way.
Yeah, plus they're good swimmers too. It's a beautiful fish. Look at her. Look at her, beautiful.
Let's see, I bet somebody's there. Oh! Yeah, mate. Jumping on it. Come on. It's got some pull, man.
I almost hooked something really good.
Oh, man.
Wow, look at there.
He has some pull. Put him in the light. There he is. He's got hear that pressure coming off of him. Something just hit this and took off, man. I mean, I'm having a hard time with them. I don't want to tighten too much more.
Oh my God. Yeah, I was.
Oh man, this guy's pretty serious. He's in something.
Huh?
Wonder if he's in something.
Huh?
He's not running anymore. Wonder if he's in something.
On the way to position the boat?
Maybe. Can you reel this line in back here for me?
Yeah, we don't have one of these.
Dang.
Wow, he's pulling the boat. He's pulling the boat over. Wow. Wow, he's pulling the boat. He's pulling the boat over. Wow.
Oh!
I know.
That was a good break point there. I couldn't hold it for a second. Oh. Trying to keep it bent, but. Trying to keep it bent, but
We might have to run him down. You want to run him down?
trying to see if I can move him.
He's pulling the boat.
Come on.
Oh, he's pulling the boat back.
The boat's actually going backwards. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Wow.
The boat's actually.
We got a belt.
Yeah, I can.
He's wearing me out.
Yep. Hold on for a minute. I'll grab hold of that.
If not,
No. Yep, got a belt here. I'll put it around your waist.
oh man, that's gonna feel like heaven.
Okay. Oops. Oh. Oh, okay, hold on.
Yep. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Dude, I couldn't take it. Yep. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Dude, I couldn't take it. Okay, now this part 2. He was winning.
You gotta win against him, dude. Keep on, hold on there.
Dude, this rod, I feel it flexing.
Yeah, I know.
I feel the fibers in this thing.
Yeah. Oh man, he ain't even willing to come up. Oh, what is that? That's really a huge fish. Oh man.
I'm still going. Dad got me the belt because I was getting beat. I was getting my butt beat. He's still beating my butt.
You're lying on that reel too.
Oh! Because I was getting beat. I was getting my butt beat.
She's taking the majority of your line on that reel too. Oh man, no.
Man. You broke it.
I couldn't.
Oh, you're lying too. Oh my God, man, that was incredible.
I couldn't feel.
That's gonna make a good video for you.
Oh my goodness, man, that was crazy.
Oh, that is unbelievable.
As bad as I wanted to see it, man, he was winning.
Oh, that fish that is incredible. Right?
That's good, man. I gotta get a water.
Ah.
This stays sitting here. If that. Oh my goodness, man.
You came for the adventure, and now what do you think?
Ah,
It
man.
would take you to land that thing probably another 40 minutes.
I couldn't get nothing, man.
No leeway on that thing at all.
I mean, I couldn't get nothing.
And it wasn't a shark, because he would have caught it
Yeah.
a long time ago.
Must have been a grouper, man.
Yeah,
Big
must have been a
Daddy,
grouper.
Goliath or something.
Yep, must have been a Goliath group.
Dude, I don't know. That
thing
thing's
had power,
big.
didn't it?
I don't know if he started stripping the line because it started looking yellow.
Yeah, I know.
I
I'm
think he
like,
started stripping the braid, man.
Man, I'm like, shoot, we're gonna run out of
Oh,
line.
look at the
We
jellyfish.
got a lot of line on there.
Oh, look at the jellyfish
yeah,
over there.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, let me roll the rest of this in. I mean, man, I gotta drop it down again, but oh yeah, he took yards of line.
Yeah, he had to outweigh you. He must have been. I'm figuring he must have been 150 or something like that.
I'm 130, dude.
Yeah, he wasn't coming. We never even saw him. He's like, shoot, I don't even have to. He was just sitting there.
Look, right after you caught yours.
Oh, I forget. I got a fish down there. Yeah, I forget. Dirty, he'll change colors. Sorry, dude. Oh no, sorry. Huh?
I'm gonna tie this line back, man.
Taking a break. What is that
I'm gonna
about?
tie this line back.
Not taking a break, dude.
I'm gonna tie the line back, dude.
Oh my God, Jesus! What leader did you have on there?
I think this was the
50, I think.
the 80 from that other spool.
Oh, it was 80. Oh my God, he broke the leader. 80-pound leader, 70-pound test line, and 80-pound leader. Jellyfish, wow, and
Okay, here we go, guys. We have
unbelievable. It's big, huge jellyfish in the water. Man, this is crazy. Hey, come on, you gotta pull it together. You need to eat a couple of sandwiches now.
I gotta catch my breath first.
Yeah. It's amazing that there's something out here that can do that to you, huh?
Oh man, it's like
That thing, like, hey, I don't think it ever has to worry about getting caught. Or get
No.
somebody landing it at least.
no. Oh jeez. Arms are tired, guys.
Oh,
Everything's
come
tired.
on, your arm, come on. Come on now. That fish is pulled us so far away from the other boats. Look.
I know.
He pulled us way over here.
I'm doubting this hook, guys. I think I need a bigger one almost.
Oh,
There he is. I had to wait for this one, man. Let's see what he is. Oh, come on in.
Oh, red grouper.
Come on in.
Yeah, wonderful.
Takes a little more with these bigger chunks, but hey. Come on, buddy. Hold on.
I got pliers right behind you. There's some on the seat, some in the holder.
Excuse me. I'm trying to get you. Ah, there you go.
Gotta go back.
Beautiful.
He's not starting to. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Not starting to.
Wow.
Just flicking water. Sir, could you please stop flicking water, please? That's not appropriate. No, it's a pigfish.
Big old grunt back there.
Big old grunt.
Look at that. Look up.
Push that water out.
Got pressure. This is the culprit of all these little light bites, all these little sand perch down there. Trying to take these big old baits. with this little old mouth. Look at those colors on that guy. Bye bye. Ooh, it might have could have a slap, buddy. I'm sorry. Come on.
The line's showing up.
See, I can't grab him. That time though. It's giving me a hard time, but I got him.
We got a half hour.
Shoot, well.
Hey, mister.
Hey, you spitting all over the boat. It's a little man. Oh, I should let him keep the bait, but.
I'm not sure what this is. What is this?
I got one.
You got one
I want to see what he's got. He's got a big grunt.
Ah,
Damn. It's a fat grunt, man.
that grunt.
Mine's not as big as that one. Yeah. What is it? Oh, pinfish. What the heck?
Yeah,
This is the fattest pinfish I think I've seen in my life. Look at that.
dude.
Look at that stomach he got, dude. He's
Actually pregnant.
oh, maybe.
Yeah, maybe you should throw it back.
No, I'm not keeping that from that. He got
Make some baby pins.
almost like. You guys see what I got here. Just one more try and one more drop down with it just to try it. There he is. There he is. Let it drop down that time. Who bit it? Who bit the lure? It was a different man. Mr. Blue Runner.
Blue runner. Wow.
Mr. Blue Runner. You're gonna throw this trouble hook in my hand, brother. I'm gonna let him calm
That's amazing.
down.
You never would have caught him on the record stuff.
Never. That's why I was just looking at this. I'm like, dude, I gotta.
Never would have caught him.
Alright, he's getting himself wrapped up enough. No, hey. Stop.
Plus he put up a good fight.
Dang, wish it was earlier. This would have been really good bait.
Oh yeah. Oh,
I'll
you
let-
got him in the back. Okay, yeah, he's cursing you out.
Oh, he's got some good fins on him. I'm actually gonna let him go toward the end of our day, but
yeah.
am I recording? I am recording. Good. Okay.
Yeah, let him go, let him go, boys. Taking this bait 20 minutes ago. You know, it's underwater lights too. So. Oh,
Yeah, that was good.
What do you got?
Probably this is just cut bait on this line. It's dark for a grunt.
Dude,
It's a little
you can
smaller.
let him go. Yeah.
getting
He can
tangled up
be
in my
with his
line.
family.
The orange in his mouth. Ooh, thanks, bud.
Oh, get it?
No, can't tell on this. He's little if I got him. I think he's a little one. Yeah. Baby pinfish. It's the bait zone. Got a lot of. Shoot. Yeah, I forgot I had this sitting down there with a little bit of bait on it. Okay, relax.
Okay, lost the fish.
It's like cheating almost. Leave this sitting there.
He bit that?
Because I had bait on the back.
Oh!
So he's probably like, oh shoot, this thing's just sitting here.
Hey everybody, we're on our way back.